Alright crew, so welcome back guys, and welcome back to another video. This is day 4 of the 55 Chevy shop truck build and paint. So today we'll finish up. Like I said, this is day 4. We just got a little bit of miscellaneous parts like the running boards, end fenders, rear tailgate. And right now I'm currently taping off my rear tailgate. It says Chevrolet because I'm painting it gunmetal. And this is the process that I'm doing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you though. I got this in parchment paper. It's tape. I traced out my letters with pencil, and now I got to go back with a X-Acto knife, and I'm going to cut it. All right, crew. So here we go, the last day. Hopefully we'll get everything painted, everything done. So let's go ahead and get right into it because we're, really short on time. So you guys get the gist of what I'm doing here. Alright, I'll do that for the whole thing. Alright crew, so we got everything set up. One thing I gotta do is wipe down. Unfortunately I got too much stuff in here, I think. I'm not gonna be able to paint all this today, so I'm not gonna do my inner fenders. I'm gonna remove those, put them to the side, and I'll paint everything else. Alright, so let's do it. I can take these numbers off here. I said numbers and letters, then we'll be ready to put some clear on it. So here we go. Now we'll go ahead and put 3 coats of clear on it, guys. Let's get to it. Alright guys, first coat of clear. Third coat, the final coat.